Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope viewers you all are doing good. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much friends for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of winter collection. It's winter articles.